I need somebody who can understand. When it comes to love, I want a slow ends. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take care of our ads. If you have rough, dry, flaky, old, age-looking ends, guess what? I have a wonderful scrub for you today. We are going to be exfoliating the ends. We're going to soften the ends, and we're going to leave them smooth, clean, clear, and just radiant, fresh looking. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching.
First ingredient is brown sugar. We're going to use some honey. I'm going to be using some coconut oil. And our main ingredient is banana. Make sure to use a ripe banana. And you're also going to need a jar for storing. And you're going to need a blender. So first we're going to prepare our banana. Just going to cut it in two halves like this for easier peeling. And then we're just going to slide our knife on the top. We're going to use up everything today, okay? So we're going to remove the flesh. And this is it. And this one is not so good. I hate when my bananas are bruised. However, it is still good to use, all right? Now we're going to just chop this for easier blending. Put that to the side. Move on to our peel. And as you know, this part of the inner peel here is going to help to brighten the ends. So we're going to scrape it since we're going to be using this in our treatment also. Now, the banana peel is so versatile, guys. It has brightening properties. It is so good to use in your daily skincare routine. You can actually just rub the peel on your face. If you have pimples and blackheads, this is going to help you to get rid of all of that. And it's also going to help with the wrinkles and the fine lines on your skin. So always try to use up your banana peel. So now here we have our banana. And we're going to be blending this. So we're going to put our banana in the blender. And we're going to blend. You do not need to add any water to this, all right? Just blend as is. This is our blended banana. And now we're just going to pour this in a bowl. So now that our banana is ready, we're going to move on to adding the other ingredients. Now I use a medium banana. Now for measuring purpose, I know you guys like for me to measure the stuff, so I will have to measure this for you guys. So I'm going to use a half a cup of banana puree. Let's see if this is about a half a cup. Right on the money. Yes. Just a little squabble. So a half a cup of banana puree. To our banana, we're going to add a quarter cup of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Next, we're gonna mix this together. We're just gonna fold it in. Just blend it in. And now this is ready. Here is our moisturizing and scrub. To store this, we are gonna pour it in our jar. Just pour it in. Wonderful. Make sure to use up everything. Very valuable. So here we have our banana brown sugar moisturizing and scrub. All right. Now store this in your refrigerator for about 7 days. It might get a little dark. If it does, it is still good. And you're going to use this on your hands as often as you want to. Okay, so I'm going to put this away. But before I put it away, let me show you how to use it. All right. Now first you want to make sure to wet your hands. And then you're going to be generous with this. About a tablespoon to begin with. And you're going to use it to exfoliate your hands. All right. Now don't be afraid to take it all the way up. Just exfoliate. Don't forget the palm. Just exfoliate your palm with it. Let me just do both hands. It's quicker, it's easier like this. Just keep exfoliating. Go back for a little more. So you want to keep exfoliating your hands for about 5 minutes. Just play with it, okay? Now if you don't want to continue to play with it like I'm doing here, just leave it on your hands for about 5 minutes, okay? Wow, really nice. Now I'm going to rinse this off with warm water. And then you're going to pat dry and you're good to go.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.